A hidden flame, awake, arise, be free. Come dance upon the breeze with golden fire. Nothing can hold me in shadow, cover thee. The spark delights and lifts the spirit higher. Oh, hidden flame, come out and sparkle light. Show the world thy light, so pure, so bright. Run through the heart as blood in every vein. Spiritual dawn and crown the earth with light. No longer bound in silence, soft concealed, thy laughter breaks the hush of solemn skies. The secret of the soul at last revealed, 1,000 colors in one flame rise. Oh, hidden flame, come out and sparkle light. Show the world thy light, so pure, so bright. Run through the heart as blood in every vein. Spread joy like dawn and crown the earth with light. No longer bound in silence, soft concealed. Thy laughter breaks the hush of solemn skies. Secret of soul at last revealed, 1,000 colors in one flame rise. Sea of flames, a melody of gold, a song eternal, never fade nor old. Bright as the stars and gentle as the rain, thy shining fall shall evermore remain. Oh, hidden flame, come out and sparkle light. Show the world thy light, so pure, so bright. Run through the heart as blood in every vein. Spread joy like dawn and crown the earth with light. Shine on a flame, forever sweet and true. The world is brighter, touched by light of you.